In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Disney Plus not working on iPhone. Let's get started. Check your internet connection. Disney Plus requires a stable connection for streaming, so try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue is network related. You can also enable airplane mode for about 10 seconds and disable it. This will refresh your connection. Next up, launch Disney Plus app, completely close it and reopen it. Also give a fresh restart to your device. A simple reboot can clear temporary system glitches that may be preventing the app from working properly. Next, check for app update. Head over to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Disney Plus. Now if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. If app is still not working, sign out and sign back into your account. This refreshes your account session and can resolve temporary login or syncing issues. Likewise, you should also check if you are connected to any VPN service. In case you are connected, disable it. Likewise, make sure you haven't enabled any low power mode in your device. Finally, if none of these solutions work, the issue may be caused by a temporary Disney server issue. To check that, launch your preferred browser, type in Disney Plus server status, click on the website down detector. Now if you found out any outages over here, wait until the problem will be restored from the end. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.